everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add color to any black and white photo in Canva. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then open your designs and upload your black and white photo. And then after that, just click on it, go to edit, scroll down, and on the apps, just choose Colorify, this one. And then next, just add color. Just click add color and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you will get the colored photo like this. Next, you can just adjust the saturations and then another color element like this, just adjust it as you like. For example, like this. And then when you're done, just add to designs like this. Okay, like this, you will get your results like this, and I think it's super good. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.